Hey y'all, it's Tara.
And Nana.
And welcome back to another edition of
Nana's
Nubs.
Nana's Nubs. Hey.
We're always terrible at that. So, Diane, this is for you, sister friend.
Hey, Diane.
Literally, probably my last 5 videos that I've uploaded, Diane has commented, and she has missed Nana. And I said, you know what? We're going to do Nana's nails this weekend. We'll try to film it. This is for you. This is for you, Diane. Thank you so much for tuning in, first of all, supporting my channel. And, you know, thanks for loving Nana as much as I do. So there you go. We're just going to do a quick little Skittle mani on old Nana using nothing but Madam Glam products. She has been instructed not to move her hands because she's already prepped, base coated, the whole deal, so she is sticky. But I just wanted to run through quickly. She chose 10 different bright, colorful polishes. 8 of these.
I'm a little late to the Pride Month, but hey.
No, hey, it's still Pride.
It's
well,
still,
in this house, it's Pride year round.
That's true.
Honestly.
That's true.
But it's still June. You know, it's still June.
That's true.
And we are a mere 5 days away, I think, from Miss G Money showing up.
5 sleeps. 5 sleeps.
5 more sleeps. Yeah, which is funny because 2 nights ago I texted her and I said 7 more sleeps. So we're counting down to the arrival of Miss G Money. Yeah, so Nana's going to be pool ready with all of her bright colors. So she has chosen the Star and Glorious. So if you have not seen Madam Glam's Pride collection for this month of June 2023, go back, I don't know, a couple videos. I'll put a link up here somewhere and check it out because there are 8 gorgeous, bright, just fun, summery creams. So this is the, I have to look because it looks blurple again. This is the blue, this Glorious, and of course, oh, my favorite, the Star. And then we have Your Sublime, which is the green, and Eternal Bliss is the purple. This one is not part of the collection. Gemini's Heart is part of this collection. It's like the tealy one. What is this? Oh, Live Colorfully is the orange. This orange is the bomb to die for. And then Pink Madness is the bright pink. So those are the, sorry, here's the other, here's another one. Yeah, Love Out Loud, which is the red. Yeah, the red.
Do you think those 2 pinks are too close together?
No.
Okay.
So she chose these 2. I don't even know where this one came from. I would not have bought this. I think this is one that G Money gave me eons ago. It's pretty in pink. This is bright. This is bright AF. Oh, yeah. This has to, and this had to have come from G Money because I don't use bar glitters in anything, but. And then this is from May's collection that Nana wanted. This is Crystal Ball. I believe I swatched this for you guys recently. Okay, so I'm just going to basically paint one nail a different color and run through this little gamut, and Nana can chitty chat with Ms. Diane.
We'll be back.
All right, we're going to start with Pink Madness on her pinky. Can I zoom y'all in? A smidge. Well, maybe not that far. All right. So y'all tell us what's been happening in your life. I feel like the spring, is it summer now? I think it's summer now.
It's summer. It's been summer for 2 days.
Bro, look at that. Yeah, I feel like it is flying. The year is flying. What have y'all been up to? Taking any family vacays? Doing any traveling, are we? Let us know. Let us know. Nana, what are you up to? What you got going on, girl?
I'm looking forward to G Money being here.
Yep. Let's go ahead and zap you. And pink on this pinky as well.
Yes.
Which one? This was pretty in pink.
I have ladies, just so you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching
Ladies
the video.
and gentlemen, folks. Hey, folks.
Yep.
Yeah, my doctor, when I was at the doctor last November, she was not happy with me. She doesn't come right out and say, girl, you're fat, but You know, she's a little more diplomatic, but she said, you got to do something because you're getting up to the age where you can't do that. And I started off really good in November. I joined the gym and was going 4 or 5 times a week. And then we went to G Money's house. And on the way home from G Money's house, the day after Thanksgiving, we stopped at a hotel and I ended up getting the flu from somebody. 9 days later, I was still running a fever between 100 and 101. So I called my primary care physician and she's like, yeah, that's not good. So she put me on prednisone and a Z-Pak and I got better. But it took another 2 weeks. So altogether that knocked me down for about almost a month. Well, of course, then it was Christmas. And who can diet at Christmas? You can't diet at Christmas, right? So I kind of got back on the wagon in January a little bit, but then in February, of course, I went on vacation. And you don't diet very well when you're on vacation either. So anyway, long story short, Steve got the pool open and I have been in the pool every day for 30 to 45 minutes doing water aerobics to my Nana's playlist. I get my jams on and I am really proud of me. I lost 3 pounds this week. Yay!
Good for you, Nana.
Yeah. So, of course, that's all gonna go to hell when Guyleen's here because I already been at the store and got snacks.
Yeah, we're stockpiling our food situation over here.
Yeah. Well, and we got a pool day on July 1st.
Girls' pool day, a week from today.
With all the girls, we got a girls' pool day, and
sorry,
snacks will be had. You turn that upside down with it open.
I had it closed. I mean, the thing, it's fine. It ain't going nowheres.
Oh, you never know. You never know.
So
Anyways.
here's something in Tara's, new in Tara's life. I quit smoking, y'all.
40, how many days now?
46 days ago.
Yay! My baby quit smoking.
46 days ago. And it's been rough. Kind of. Sometimes I really want a cigarette, and I have a pack. I have a pack hidden away, unopened, that I just sort of squirreled away just in case I wanted to, fail on day one. In case I wanted to change my mind, but it's still hidden away. I have not broke it out. I ain't opened it up. We're doing, Nana quit. How many years ago did you quit smoking? 4?
It'll be 4 years in September.
Yeah, 4 years ago in September. And this ain't my first go round to quit smoking either. I have quit smoking using e-cigs before, but then, I'll go on vacation and I'll see other people smoking and I'm like, damn, I really miss smoking. So then I buy a pack of cigarettes and I smoked for 10 years. So, we're doing the little e-cigs, we're surviving. Okay, go ahead and zap that, Nana.
But you're doing it, and
I'm doing it.
That's what's important.
I'm doing it. I ain't
very, 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 very proud of you.
Well, thanks.
Because it's hard.
I ain't all that fucking happy about it, but here we are. See, I already have this in my mouth. 46 days later, and
that's right.
We're still smoke-free.
She's through the hardest part.
I think so. I mean, it's hard when I drink beer, of course, because I'm like, oh, that the beer and the smoke it's that perfect balance, to balance your hands out.
That's how I fell off the wagon twice.
Yeah. Nana would come over here. We'd be in the pool day drinking, and she'd see me smoking, and she's like, hey, give me a drag of that. And then she stops on her way home and buys a pack of cigarettes and starts smoking again.
I did that twice. Once after I'd been 2 years. I quit smoking for 2 years.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
Oh, shit, Nana.
Beers in the pool.
Yep. Will lead you astray.
Yes, they will.
It will lead to bad decisions, honey. Look at that. See? I knew
I'm very proud of you.
Because
I know how hard it is.
It is. It's hard as fuck, y'all. It's hard as fuck. And you're right. I did smoke. Well, I smoked for a long time, too. See, look at that damn fuzz that I cured.
There's a fuzz?
Hell yeah, look at them.
Oh, there is a fuzz. Shit.
All right, hang on, y'all. So we're going to do Live Colorfully on her middle nail. This is going to be so pretty, Nana. But I have a feeling. Pardon me. I have a feeling. God, pardon me again. She's probably going to want me to, throw a little sticker on something. or stamp a little something.
We might have to throw something on
I know.
the fuzz.
I know, Nana. Oh, you're right. I could stamp to cover up that fuzz. That's fine.
Do you have a rainbow? Like a decal, rainbow decal or something?
No, I don't think so.
All right, well, we'll pick something.
We'll find something.
Little ladybug or something.
But it's like all these gorgeous creams. They're like perfect blank canvases for, you know, adding little zhuzhis onto. I think that's pretty good. Go ahead. We'll zap you. Yeah, so Nana just said this color palette reminds her of the ladybugs that I have out in front of the house. A few years ago, Nana bought some little stone cement.
Poured concrete, little concrete statues. Well, it's not.
Yeah, little, what are they?
They're ladybugs.
Yeah, they're ladybug. They're not statues. I don't know. They're just concrete ladybugs. And I spray painted each one a different color. And I have them, well, I'll pop a picture up here, y'all can see, up my sidewalk out in front of my house. And she's right, these do remind me of my ladybugs. My ladybugs are probably starting to fade a little bit from the sunshine. But
they
yeah,
look real cute the way you have them all
cute.
lined up. And the whole what we were going to do, because I bought a big ladybug, like the mama ladybug, and then all these little babies. And we were driving the struggle bus trying to get mama painted, because we were going to paint her like a real ladybug, and then these little babies. And then Tara's like, no. Well, we have that spray paint from doing the pots.
We just going to spray paint them all, just one solid color, because
I
ain't feeling all that industrious. Okay.
Hand painting, and I think we had acrylic paint too that we were trying to get to stick to that concrete, and it wasn't pretty, folks. It wasn't, but she did a real good job painting these little babies.
I really did. Okay, Eternal Bliss on our index finger over here. Yeah, so I don't really know what. Actually, we don't really have anything. We never plan anything for when G Money's here. Because
I'm going to say this about that. I think the weather, when Guyleen was here last year, it was hot as balls every frickin' day. We was in the 90s. I mean, we were dying. And Tara and I had talked last year about taking G Money to a Loons game. But you know what?
Minor league
when
baseball.
It is over 75 degrees, Nana's
fat ass is in the pool.
Fat ass requires air conditioning or a swimming pool. Yeah. And so we don't do Loons games.
No.
But I think the weather's going to be nice enough. We might want to try to grab a Loons game.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why?
Because I don't want to leave my house. I don't like leaving my house. I don't like people. And all my stuff is here. I don't want to go anywhere, honestly.
But you have company.
Actually,
coming.
have you? Okay, but my company knows what's up. Like, my company knows that when she comes here, don't expect to be entertained, because we're not go type of people. We don't have to have every minute of every day planned. We don't have itineraries, right? And that's the kind of vacation G Money enjoys as well. Last year when her daughter Casey came, Casey was miserable here because Casey's not used to being still. She's always on the go. And we just literally just lay around.
We are the definition of laid back.
Yes, we are just sloths. And I think Casey was just bored out of her skull. So she's like, I'm never coming back to your house. No, she didn't tell me that, but for G Money.
But she left 2 days early.
Yeah,
so
she did leave early. She left early. She was like, I'm dipping the fuck out of here. Y'all are just killing me. But G Money at home, she's busy all the time too. She's got clients. She's babysitting.
G Money comes here, Lucas. And she gets to relax like I do when I go to Exuma. Mm-hmm. That's my happy place, and I can just
give me this hand.
I can relax and not have to worry about going and doing, and I just lay on the beach and stare at the water. Shit. That's what I do.
I'm making a mess over here.
And Guyleen sits on the couch up here while you and Steve are sleeping, and I'm downstairs working, and she edits her YouTube videos.
Yep. And does her voiceovers.
And nobody bothering her. Nope. She don't have to cook for nobody.
Nope. No, ma'am, Pam. I don't know what it is about your thumbnail shapes. They almost just fall off, on the sides.
They just do.
Okay, hang on. All right. That literally ran all over the place, so I just took it off, and we just gonna start over. So that's it. We don't do lots of things on vacation. And when we go visit her, we don't expect her to take us around and show us
No.
things. And like, no, we just want to hang out with our friends and the dogs.
And Tom. We left Tom.
At G Money's house. And yeah. So that's it. In other words, we're very boring vacation people, and you don't want to vacation with us because we're just boring. We're boring.
You know, I spent my years going and running and doing and partying and all that stuff, and it's like I just can't anymore.
Yeah.
Nor do I care to.
Yeah, we're done. We're done with them days. So here's Crystal Ball on her thumb, and then I'm gonna do a second coat off camera. Pardon me. Why am I gassy as hell tonight?
Those onions on
the burgers?
The burger.
Okay, maybe. So sorry, I'm just belching all up in y'all's face. Yeah, I'll do coat number 2 off camera.
That's a pretty color.
This is what we just took off of you.
Huh?
We just took this off of you. This is what you had on before I did this mani.
Oh, well, see?
This is why you wanted this color. This was the one you wanted from last month's collection.
That is a really pretty color.
2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, whenever I did her nails last.
3
weeks ago. Hang on, I'll grab it real quick while Nana is zapping that. We paired Crystal Ball.
Oh my God, I love my Skittle mani already.
Was it this one, Nana? Miss Rosalind? Yeah.
That was so pretty.
Yeah, this was a gorge color combo.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
So pretty. Any boobs. Any boobs. That was a pretty little mani. And then I just zapped it all off of her. And then she opted to just go bang out with 10 different colors. All right. So,
I have to be a little extra.
Top of the 8th inning, game 1 of the College World Series. And someone just hit a home run. I don't know. I have the volume turned way down. Hopefully y'all can't hear it.
He looks like a grown man.
They all do. Half these dudes.
Well, some of them look like little kids.
No,
compared.
they don't. They literally all look 35 years old. I don't understand what is happening to boys in college, but they literally look 35 to 40 years old. I don't know. I don't get it. Okay. Let me shut up. Let me do coat number 2, and we'll be back to do a little outro. Well, no, just leave that. We'll show y'all in a second. Okay, so here is Nana's finished mani. We're gonna put a little cuticle oil. Nana's favorite part. Okay, stop that.
I'm singing our. I'm humming our.
Nana's Nubs.
Nana's Nubs. Nana's Nubs.
Hey, I don't know why we go hey, but we do. So, how fun is this? It's giving me like circus vibes, right?
I wish we'd had time to do this before Pride Night last weekend.
I know.
Or weekend before last.
Yeah, we went to Pride Night at at Dow Diamond at the Loons Stadium. Every year they have an annual Pride Night baseball game, minor league baseball game. And it's always a good time. There we go.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
It's very summery.
It's very summery.
It's you know what? It reminds me of being out by the pool with all the flower pots.
Yep.
With all the different colors.
We have lots of color out around the pool. And
I'm still saying little ladybugs out front.
If they're still available, of course, y'all know you can use, follow the link in the description box. I have a 30% off code, BLL30. So, yeah, Nana, what do you think? What do you think?
I love them. I love them. They
are very
Look at
pretty.
my little Skittles, my pretty Skittles.
They're very pretty. Say goodbye to Miss Diane. You're one fan you have.
Diane, I miss you. I love you.
Oh, and also Miss Susan Painting in my last video, she commented, I think on the giveaway video, which by the way, the giveaway is still open. Y'all go check it out. My 3K giveaway, humongous, like probably hundreds of dollars worth of stuff that I'm going to be shipping out to somebody. But Miss Susan Painting commented and said, have fun with G-Money and all my love to Nana. So I'm telling you, I don't know. Apparently you've touched.
I miss you guys. We don't have our bingo no more.
Oh no, you've touched lots of people's lives. Apparently, you've really made an impression on people. Yeah. So here we go. Here's Nana's mani for the next couple of weeks. So,
okay.
Thank you guys for joining yet another edition of
Nana's Nubs. Nana's Nubs. Hey!
We're the absolute worst. If you stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is Nana. The keyword is Nana. All right.
Keyword Nana's Nubs. Keyword Nana's Nubs.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
Just drop an old lady icon or emoji.
You.
Yeah, so that's going to do it for us. We will see y'all in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.